Hi, welcome in Design Tool. Today I would like to show you how we can set up a background image in our projects. Let's see an example. Here we have a project of a bathroom and we would like to proceed with rendering. But in order to improve the quality of our rendering, I would like to add a background image that we can see through this window here. In order to add a background image, we have to work in our function tab render. First, we have to create a camera. Let's see, an image that we will be then renderize. So we click on the add camera button here, the yellow button on the right side, and we create our camera. Now we can proceed with the rendering of this specific camera. So we click on the button render here on the bottom side. We select the camera we would like to renderize. In this case is our camera 7. At first we have to adjust the setting of our camera. Then once the settings are okay, then we confirm with apply. And we go on by clicking next. Once we have adjusted our light settings, then we click next. And here we can add and set up a background image. Automatically our software offers you a default image, as you can see. But we can select another image to add to our project. We have two options. Either we select the image from our Tilelook file, so we click on the first button, load from Tilelook, and we get a number of images pre-downloaded and ready that we can use to add to our project. For example, we can decide to use this background. Just click on download and we get the image as a background. Then, by dragging and dropping these arrows here, we can adjust the position and the sizes of our image. For example, we can scale the image and we can move on horizontal way, on the vertical way. Once we have found the correct position, then we click next. Next, and then we can proceed with the rendering. Once the render is completed, then you will get on your camera the icon of this photo camera. This means that we have a rendering image on it. And by double clicking on the icon, you get the rendering image. You see? That means this icon, this photo camera, means there is a picture, a renderized image on this specific camera. Another option concerning the background is to get an image from your file, for your personal file present in your PC. So let's see. We create another camera. We add camera. We go on with the render. Select the camera to renderize. In this case, it's camera 8. Proceeding with next. And from this page, we can load an image from our file, from our processor. So we click here, and I can select an image from my personal desktop. For example, I have here some backgrounds. I select one of these, choose, I get the preview of my background. I can scale the image. You can see here from the windows. I can scale the image and changing the position. Once I found the correct position, then I click next, next, and then I can start with my rendering. That's all for now. See you soon in Design Tool.